Hello. Yeah. So I believe you're enjoying the series so far. Now it's time to let me see what's next on the bill. So I need to show you how to use the virtual environment that you've already activated, and also how to deactivate it. And as I teach, I am also uploading onto YouTube, just as I said. So no editing, as raw as it is, then it gets on YouTube. So pardon me for some of the mistakes that you would see. Now I'm going to show you how to use the virtual environment that you've created. Basically, using a virtual environment is the same as using your global Python installation. The same way you would type Python 3 and then a file name that you want the interpreter to interpret. We are going to do the same for this activated virtual environment. And like I said, the way to know if your virtual environment is activated is you would see the name of the virtual environment right here before the prompt. So let me create a file. I'll call it app.py inside the Flask cat folder. So look at the arrangement. Your Python code has to sit side by side or alongside the virtual environment that you have created. So now I have my app.py and then the virtual environment folder is also there, but don't forget you have to activate the virtual environment first. So now that I have my app.py, let me open that app.py in Visual Studio Code, and then we can start writing some Python code in there. Let me close this and let me close this. That's safe. Okay, so it's talking about some Python linter. We'll get into those videos later, but for now, I just want you to focus on how to create a simple Python program. So what do? Let's do the usual hello world stuff, and we will tell the whole world that we are using a virtual environment now. So, and this is one of the reasons why I love Python. It's so simple. So I just say hello virtual environment. Yeah, it's a great milestone. You have done so well. You have come this far. You know how to create virtual environments. You know how to activate them, and now you are learning how to use them. It is a great time to announce to the whole world the new skill that you have acquired, and this is actually a good skill to have. So now I have created the app.py. I've put in some Python code in there. Let's go and execute it. So I just come in here, say Python 3 app.py, and there you have it. Hello virtual environment. Now the reason why you are seeing the env here is very important, and I want you to always remember that it is showing up because we have activated a virtual environment. If I do which Python 3, then it's going to tell me that I am using the Python 3 inside the bin folder of the env folder that is inside my Flask cat folder. Now the final item on the bill is to show you how to deactivate a virtual environment. Why is it important to learn how to deactivate a virtual environment? You need to be able to learn how to deactivate a virtual environment because, like I told you in the start, virtual environment is an isolated Python instance which is specific to a project, and there are times, or mostly, you might want to go back to the global Python installation for whatever reason you have, and it is as easy as just typing deactivate. And mind you, the deactivate command is not available until you have activated an environment, a virtual environment in your terminal. So now that I do this, you can see that my prompt is not showing env anymore. It is just my normal prompt. And if I go and do which Python 3, now it has switched to the global Python installation. Before I close this video, let me give you a rundown of what we have done. So I told you a virtual environment allows you to have an isolated Python installation per project. You create it by typing Python -m venv. That is, you are using the venv module of Python 3 to create a virtual environment you choose to call any name. In this case, I said env. I'm not going to press enter because I've already done that. And then let me show you one thing. If I try to type deactivate and I press tab for code completion, it is not showing up because the deactivate command is not available until you have activated a virtual environment. And to activate a virtual environment, you just do bin activate, and now that env is available, let's check which Python is active. If I do Python 3, you can see that it is pointing to the Python inside my folder. Now I can type deactivate, and when I press tab, code completion is going to work because my terminal is now aware of the virtual environment that has been activated. And once I press enter, it is deactivated, and when I do which Python 3, I go back to the global Python installation. So thank you very much for watching these videos, and I'm going to see you in the next series. Once again, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel to get notified, help me stay motivated to record more awesome videos, and let's have fun. Thank you.